Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Amazon Prime Video account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Prime Video application on your device, and once you've done that, tap open the application. In the first interface, if you already have an existing Amazon account, simply log in with your email ID and password. Enter your email address or your phone number and tap on continue. On the next page, enter your password for your Amazon account and sign into it. If you don't have an account yet, simply click on create account at the top and then follow the on-screen prompts. You will need to provide your name, your email address or your mobile number, create a password and tap continue. First of all, enter your name in the first text box and then enter a mobile number or an email address. Now, create a password for your Amazon account and tap on verify email. You will now need to enter an OTP sent to your email address. Simply open up your email address's inbox and type in the code or the OTP that you received in it. After you are done, click on create your Amazon account and select the profile or create a new profile from this page, and you will now be able to sign up for Prime Video. And just like that, you have successfully created an account for Amazon Prime. In order to enjoy movies and series from Amazon Prime Video, you will need to subscribe to Premium. The subscription plan comes up with monthly membership and annual membership. Simply go ahead and choose one of your subscription methods and then enter your payment information to start streaming with Amazon Prime. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Goodbye till then.